All right, good afternoon, everybody, and it looks like it's another microphone malfunction Wednesday special. Thursday, I guess. I seem to be gesturing about the lack of cars in the area, so I'm pointing at something. Looks like more trouble, and oh my. Well, I know, try and control your jealousy, everybody, but I've bought myself another, seems to be a car. Oh, and here comes Tractor Gnome's alcoholic little brother. It's Forklift Gnome. And this thing is, we shouldn't really be sad that the microphone is not working because the sound of this screaming little 6-cylinder engine on its last legs, probably not anything anybody needs to hear today. Forklift Gnome is gonna hammer that in there, and does he roll it into the trailer because it has no brakes? No, it must have hit a pebble, and it seems to have stopped. And here we go. We're gonna try. Is there enough structure on this car to hold it up? It seems to be holding together, and up we go. And it looks like the car is not going to break in half. Let's see if it'll stay together long enough for Peter to get his trailer out of the way. And we're backing up the forklift with the vehicle of some nature clinging for life to the forks there. And trailer is safe. Trailer is safe at second. And I don't even know what to say here. And oh, here we go. Here's where we put the car down and almost smashed it into the back of the old Dodge. So took a second swing at it. And oh my God, who's the expert running this thing? Nevertheless, seems to have some kind of touchdown. It's down. And there we go. Because I know you all figured I didn't have enough debris in my yard. Let's see. Has anybody guessed what she is yet? Well, just a few more questions, ma'am, and we'll have it figured out. And there we go. There's my neighbor Peter looking suspiciously happy to have this thing out of his yard, I have to say. That, and he has some of my money, albeit not very much. What do you think it is?
Is that a Peugeot 504?
403, yeah, good guess.
403, yeah, 403.
Nobody else even guessed that. That was good for you.
Yeah, Peugeot. Yeah, I didn't know I got the numbers wrong.
Yeah, they're all the same.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, I got it for cheap, so.
Was it one of those auction cars?
No, it was just a coincidence.
Very cool. Oh yeah, that's neat.
Peugeot 403.
Yeah. Not many of these around, hey?
No, well, there's one coming up at the auction too, so.
Cool, good.
The beauty of it is that the one coming up at the auction is missing all the wheels and the carburetor and part of the grill.
Cool.
And all of that's here on this one, so.
Yeah, that's good news.
Maybe
Yeah,
we could use that to fix that one up.
Oh, look at the lichen.
Oh yeah. That's heavy.
Heavy on those.
Heavy growth on this guy.
Color, those light blue and white, that's kind of attractive. A little bong in the back there.
Yeah, pretty bonged.
Yeah, pretty bonged up. Oh yeah, she's been kicked around, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty junk. Pretty junky.
Definitely neat though.
Yeah.
Bolt-on hubcaps.
Yeah. And they're all there. And,
Cool. This is neat actually. Yeah, cool.
yeah, and I think the gauges are there and the instruments are there and
Oh, yeah, it
most
is.
of it's there. So,
Engine transmission.
yeah.
Oh, sure.
It's not a bad looking car. It looks a little bit like a Mercedes 190.
It does
180,
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what. And it, or even a big Hillman or something like
Yeah,
that. You know?
it's definitely. Oh yeah, one tire holds air in the front there, looks like.
So I thought, well, I got it for cheap and
Yeah.
I get to save it from the junker. And
Good. Ugh, I don't even want to get this stuff in the bucket.
here's what I do. Just soak it all down first.
Okay.
Or do you want to scrape as much as we can dry first?
Sure.
Oh, that's even easier. We're not too worried about the paint, so. Okay, have you got like a method here, or are you just like randomly scraping all over the place?
Usually top to bottom, right?
Okay. Sounds good. I will start at the front, and yeah, or do one panel at a time till it's finished.
Go to the roof.
Okay.
Wow.
Well,
Hey?
let's have a look at that level 1, buddy.
Level 1 tidy. I think it's what, a 55 Peugeot 403?
Well, we're going to find out. Let's check the serial number
Okay.
and see if anybody can help us out there.
The Peugeot land,
We
yeah.
found the spare tire in the back, so we're going to mount that up.
Yeah.
And I'd like to get the car to roll. And then we're going to, well, we'll see. We don't really have any plans beyond that for now, but I just couldn't see it go in the crusher.
I'm so glad you saved it.
Is that 62364
724.
724 type 403? And there's a body number, I guess, 104521. That number 236. Well, that's a 4.
That's the same serial.
7. Oh, that's matching numbers.
Matching
you guys.
number. Yeah. It is too.
Look at the cute little rat. Isn't that neat? It's just sitting up there all by itself.
Yeah, it's neat.
This is neat too. Look at.
Oh wow.
Isn't that nice? Everything's just so different.
It's not the worst one I've seen, but it's not. I mean, yeah, it's rusty. It's dented.
It is the worst one you've seen because it's the only one you've
It's the
seen.
only, yeah, I've never seen one of these cars in my life. You've seen a
So
couple.
that's cool. It's a Hemi head 4-cylinder.
That thing got a Hemi.
Yeah,
Ooh, it even has oil in it.
good. Well, it'll probably
And it
run
looks
then.
pretty clean. Good.
Anyway, we cleaned it up a little bit, but
Yeah.
she's not a fixer-upper. It's pretty
No.
rusty. It's pretty badly smashed up from people pushing it around.
Yeah.
It's kind of a shame because
It is.
I think it could have been saved, but now somebody's really ruined it. So,
Yeah.
but whatever. It doesn't matter. It's not like they were extremely rare or anything. It's rare in Canada, but it's
But even in Europe, there are probably not many around because
there's
of.
not many left, but they made a lot.
Oh, okay.
I think these were pretty good selling car in France.
Yeah. That's sweet. Forklift right behind it. That's awesome.
That's where she came off the trailer.
Yeah, that's where she sits.
Okay, well, let's we'll try and sort out a tire for it and get that on there.
Did we show the people the interior?
Not much to see.
Not much
but
to see right now.
Let's have a look.
The back seat's on the ground.
There's the seat. Yeah, great. Yeah.
This is how we found her.
Yeah. Well,
Or you got
that's
her.
how she arrived. Yeah.
How she arrived. Yeah, she even arrived. She made it here.
Neat little cluster.
Oh, is that the heater box right in the middle of the floor? Hey, that's neat.
It's probably the heater fan. Oh, that's a beautiful shifter.
Cool.
Look at that.
Oh, neat.
Oh, that's lovely.
wow.
Oh, it's a 4-speed too.
Oh, is it a 4-speed?
4 on the column like the Citroen, yeah.
4 on the column.
Water temp, fuel, amps, and there's a clock. There's a little clock in the corner
Cool.
there.
Nothing in the glove I checked.
Yeah.
Cute little pull strap.
Oh yeah. Look at that. That's how you pull the doors closed.
This is still good.
There he goes. Dean, the human silver lining himself. Right there.
Yeah.
The man is all silver lining.
What even has a little pocket? These cars are really neat. Hey.
They were nice cars when they were new. And now it's just an utter jalopy. I don't know if those were like markers for when you were pulled over on the side of the road,
Parking lights?
or if they were courtesy lights so when you opened the door it would come on and light up your way in, maybe, or if they were just strictly decoration. I don't know.
There's a few kinks to work out, yeah.
There's a few little bugs in it, yeah. Quite a few bugs in here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, neat little shelf for your tire.
Yeah, that's the tire just slides in there, kind of like your 37 Chev would have, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
It's really neat.
Pretty rusty though.
Well, here, yeah.
Sadly, she's rusty. You know, anything's repairable, but it's just not. This would be a nice parts car. So we'll just have to see if another one comes along. Hey,
Yeah.
wink, wink.
Yeah, yeah, we're scouting out a few cars, eh? Fun stuff,
Yeah,
man.
okay, well, there, that's what happens when I'm left unattended for any length of time.
Yeah.
Hubcap's in perfect shape.
Yeah, it's great.
Oh, and it's got the same kind of nuts as the Citroen has. Perfect condition.
Oh, neat. I like this rear end.
Yeah, did you see the front has a transverse leaf?
No,
Pretty cool, yeah. Hey, did you see that? Today's my classic
Oh.
retread. That's a beauty.
Yeah.
I was trying to find the brand, and I guess when they retread them, they shave the name
Oh
off.
yeah, they retreaded it. That's right.
Because it says says recap on it somewhere. But anyway,
It's oh yeah, because the whole
the brand is gone.
okay, we can't even
They
tell
must
you.
shave that off when they retread them.
Okay. Nice. Do they take the
Nice
same
little-
wheels as a Citroen, or are they completely different?
Well, the big Citroens have 5 bolts,
Ah, okay.
but they have these interesting studs or nuts with the little washer on.
Yeah, that's
them.
hard
Yeah,
to
it's
find.
very much like a Citroen.
Cool. All right.
And
And the
gotta
cap.
put that back on. Barbarians.
Right. This is the show, eh? It's like a couple
There's
hours.
the, yeah. See you next week.
Yeah, there's the show. Tap and die time.
Oh, I see. It's
Oh.
right. It's because that wheel's okay. This
Yeah.
we're not gonna wreck it. Try to put it on.
Oh,
this
is it
wheel.
the threads?
It's the wheel itself. Yeah.
Okay.
See, the threads are nice here, but they're
Yeah.
up
Oh,
in there, so
okay.
we'll just leave it.
All
Good
right.
enough. Dropper. Hey, look at that. It's a much more graceful.
here. Hi, puppy.
It's a graceful machine now.
Okay.
Okay.
It's
Done.
holding air, yeah.
And on sale this week only.
Right?
Okay. Franker's French Classics.
She's right at home with this car.
I think it's her favorite new car.
Yeah.
Nay, boo. All right. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.